CEO of Simutech Multimedia, and I'm excited today to talk to you about a recent trip to Florida for the Food Automation and Manufacturing Show. It was a great opportunity for us to meet some of our customers face-to-face and to learn more about the industry. And during the show, we got to spend some time and learn about some of the concerns that are facing manufacturers these days. And my takeaway from it is that there's two top issues that they're facing. The first one is output. So the factories are as they are, they're not going to keep expanding them. It's very expensive to do so. And what manufacturers are looking for is a way to produce more out of the existing capacity they have, but also be able to be flexible in the lines and in the output. And so that requires automation, that requires programmable logic and PLCs and things like that. So that is a big topic in the industry. Then the second big topic, which touches on that as well, quite related, is this thing, the skills gap. We kept hearing about the skills gap all week. And the skills gap is about people retiring, those who are in the trades are within 2 years of retirement. About 70% of them are at that stage. And new people who are being replaced, they're new grads, they don't come equipped with the skills required to maintain these machines and keep the assembly lines rolling. So those two issues are quite related and impact output and impact, you hear it as in downtime, you hear it as in how do you program PLCs. It has many different flavors, but it's really the core issues, output and skills gap. And for us, this was very exciting because when we talk to our partners like Tyson and Bimbo and so on, that's exactly what our product solves. That's a very specific problem. Where we give a simulation-based software to train maintenance staff to get on the line and learn how to troubleshoot, learn how to fix different components, whether they're relays, whether they're fuses, but more complex things like PLCs where you're learning how to program them, how to look at the ladders and so on. So we're trying to close that skills gap by giving a safe simulation-based environment, and that helps manufacturers produce more and get more flexibility on their lines, but does close that skills gap.